doing today, y'all? Today we're down here just exploring the woods, see what it looks like after it snowed. Because we had that snowstorm this weekend, well, this past weekend. I would have taken Milo, but it got too cold. So, it's just me. Yeah, it's nice down here. I mean, I've already been down here. I went down here yesterday. It was just the wind was so rough, so I didn't feel like staying down here. Oh, it's nice. Well, I think we'll check out the river first. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, we got a nice thing of snow this year round. The coast got a lot of snow. The actual coastline, they got like 12 inches. I mean, in some spots we have that, but it's mostly like 7-8 inches of snow. So we're just down here walking. Yeah, it's nice down here. Everything's just covered in snow. We made a lot of snow cream with the use of this snow. So, yeah, it's been fun. It's nice getting snow because the last winter storm we had was just ice, so we didn't get much of nothing. Dang, the river's low. There's a lot of birds. I mean, a lot of it's melted. The path where I was walking is melted. It's not as thick. But, see. No, it's nice. Well, it's, yeah, that's about how much snow we got. I mean, a lot of it's melted, but still. Let's hope I don't fall. Yeah, I've never seen the river be like this. It has like a layer of ice on it, but that's because the snow just built up right there. I'm not tired of these logs. You can see the tracks. Well, if you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. I mean, a lot of it's melted up through here. Little bird. Where'd he go? Right up in there. A lot of this is melted, so I won't go too far down. See, it's melted already. Well, let's walk up through here. Yeah, the birds, I don't know why, but they're always active when we get snow. Oh, we'll walk up through here. Just gotta be careful because I can't see where the holes in the ground are, because we have some holes in the ground. That's nice though. I went down here when it was actually snowing Saturday, and it was harsh, really harsh. I mean, you couldn't see like 3 feet in front of you. That's how bad the snow was coming down. But that really only started around 4:30, 5 o'clock. So it was already dark. So it didn't really help. Yeah, but yesterday when I went down here, I saw a deer, 2 right in front of this tree, and they ran. You know, fair enough. I never see deer in the snow that much. They're usually hunkered down, at least around here, because they're not used to it. It's cold. Hope the snow stays here longer than a day and a half, which it should. No, it's nice though. That's our squirrel hunting stand, but I don't like squirrel hunting in it because the stairs to it are kind of terrible. No, it's covered with snow. I guess we could walk around this way. Oh yeah, snow's thick here. Don't sit in the sun as much. That's cool, the ice down there. I gotta watch out because this is steep and slippery. So. Oh, that's cool though. Yeah, this is from all the snow. It just froze over on the water. Let's keep walking. Hopefully I don't fall. Oh, look at that though. I mean, the creek's still running just fine. I mean, yeah, this snow's still fluffy. The snow in front and behind my house, like right behind my house and in front of my house, it's all messed up and crunchy. It's not soft. Well, something's been over there. It's nice though. I'm not gonna go too far because it's already bad enough trying to walk through here when it's not snowy. And when it is, I just don't even really care to. I can't get over this little icicles. That's cool. Tracks from something. No clue what. Might have been from deer. Because the deer tracks look kind of like that. No. Yeah, you can really hear the eye. I've never seen a creek like this before. Never. It's not thick ice, it's just ice. Can you see it? Right around the cypress. Yeah, this year's snow was so weird. I don't know if we'll get any more, but if we do, we do. It's nice. I went to the beaver pond yesterday. It's all frozen over. Which, I mean, it's not so surprising. There's usually not much water in it this time of year. Yeah, this is all we're gonna do this video. Just walk and I'll let y'all see what it looks like back here. Yeah, this is right behind my house. Well, this year's, it felt different because it was so well, we were unprepared for it, I guess you could say. We were prepared for the last one, but the last one was a disappointment. We didn't get nothing. We got like this much ice. Dang, nose is stopped up. We're gonna keep walking this little path I made. Something moved. Yeah, there's a lot of snow in these trees. When the birds move, it'll move. Yeah, but this is tracks. I can't tell what those would be. I don't know. But this is the snowstorm of 2026. We had one last year. The one last year, we only got like 4 inches of snow, but it stayed around so long because it was like right after we came back from school. And it was very cold, so also very cloudy. So the snow just didn't melt. A lot of this is already melting. Yeah, stopping. Well, let's keep going. Oh, this snow's thick. That's the fun kind of snow. Yeah. Something ran through here. No telling what that could have been. Could have been it could have been deer. Deer or the coyotes we got back here. Yeah. Surprised I haven't seen any squirrels. Oh, my stand is completely covered with snow. Ain't it pretty? There's a log right here, ain't there? Not really. Ain't that cool? That's cool. Never seen snow like this. That's cool. It's all over my phone. Yeah, I got snow all over my phone. I would get up here, but it's very slippery. Yeah, a lot of snow up here. Well, let's get down. It's nice they're here though. See, I've never seen a tree like this. We never have that much snow to where it just sticks to a tree. guess we'll walk through here. I'm just dragging my feet because, I don't know. Wonder what the camera looks like. I wonder if it had a lot of snow built up on it. What's up with the snow? No, it has no snow on it. That's surprising. It survived the snow. Look at it. Well, it's a little far. I'll get up closer. A lot of tracks over here. It survived scot-free. No snow on it. Well, I don't know how much further I'm going to go walk. It's cold out here, like I said. But while I walk. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. Nice 16-minute video. It's nice back here. Well, that's what it looks like back here, y'all. Have a good one.